Hi, my name is Blue. This is my friend Red. Say hi, Red. Hi. What do you want to do today, Red? I don't know. Oh, look, it's Yellow. He's a baby. I'm a baby. Feed me. Oh, look, it's Green. He's mentally disabled. I really like kitchen counters. Oh, look, it's Orange. He's sad about life. Oh, look, it's Purple. He's a builder. I'm making a hairbrush. We are friends. Yay! This is so weird. Wowza, guys! This is really beautiful! Yes, Blue, it really is! Blue? Not gonna lie, this seems really unsafe. Shut up, Purple, nobody asked for your opinion! I'm gonna go get a closer look! Red, you ding-dong idiot, that's not a good idea! Look, Blue, it's absolutely safe! Red! No! No! Red! I'll save you! OMG! How am I going to save them? No! Blue! How am I going to save them? OMG! Where are we? OMG! Where are we? Same! This substance smells really good. Oh wait, where are we? We seem to be in some sort of place. That sounds correct. We need to call 119. But Blue, I thought you left your phone on the table. Oh right. Oh well, we'll just have to voyage for food. Man, voyaging for food is very hard work. I know, right? Wait, Blue, what's that? It's food. This is really yummy food. I know, right? Okay, that's enough food. We need wood for a fire. That is right, Blue. Even though it's 110 degrees, we need a fire. Hey, look, a conveniently placed tree. It's harvesting time. Oh yes, Blue. Punching a tree with your bare fist sounds like a really good idea. That's really logical. Okay, I think we have enough oak wood. No, Red, you ding-dong diddly idiot. You have to get firewood, not oak wood. Oh. Hey, look, a conveniently placed firewood tree. No, Red, you ding-dong diddly idiot. That's mahogany. Man, I'm so glad we were able to find some firewood. Well, it's alright. At least we've got each other. Besides, no monster's going to hurt us. OMG! Run! Ah! OMG! It's too late! He's coming! OMG, guys! I actually found you! OMG! Purple! Guys, follow me! I know the way out! Oh, okay. Yay! We finally made it! Hey, Blue! That was really fun. You want to do that tomorrow? Sure, why not? Green, you ding-dong idiot! That's not gonna work! Sure it will, Blue. Oh, okay. If they all fell. No, stop. God dang it. Hey. Did you pause it? No.